Hair of the dog, am I right? She is strong. Okay, so this is a whiskey that was sent to me by a subscriber by the name of Sherry. We call her Sherry Godmother around these parts, but this is the 6th Street Bourbon. Look at this bottle. It's honestly a little bit too strong for my boyfriend, so I guess I have it all to myself. Okay, so you're like, Kate, why do you look like such a mess? Well, I am giving you like what I look like in the morning. Like I'm giving you bedhead, not a stitch of makeup, just the t-shirt I slept in. I know it's kind of gross, but that's what's up. Do I wake up and have whiskey in the morning? No. Am I gonna make a video without having a drink? No. I'm going to take you through a quick, easy makeup routine. This is like a 5-minute makeup routine. The inspiration for doing this, well, okay, this isn't like a brand new video concept, but the inspiration for me doing this video today is because yesterday I had a Zoom call and I just wanted to look really fresh, really pretty, but also just put very little effort into it. So first we're gonna fix the hair. I'm gonna try and make this look cute. We'll see if I can do it. I found this really cute sort of turban head wrap company on Instagram, and I'm really loving these. So I'm going to use this. I will link it down below in the description box, as well as everything else I talk about. Ooh, look at those dark circles though, girl. I like kind of almost like a turban-like coverage. I also like that they're really stretchy and they're not too tight because I don't want to look like a pinhead, you know what I mean? So first I'm going to go in with a primer. This is a very skincare-like primer. This is the Victoria Beckham Cell Rejuvenating Primer, just to add like a really nice base to put the foundation on. Then I'm going to go in with one of my favorite foundations. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder Foundation. I am in the shade Too Fair. So this looks like a lot, I know, but it's pretty runny and the coverage is really light, which is what we're going for today. And I'm using my BK Beauty Contour Foundation brush. This is the 101. So I'm just working really quickly, which is really easy to do with this foundation and this brush. You basically can't mess it up. I'm not rubbing or swiping. I am pressing this into the skin because I have these heavy bangs up here. I don't have to put too much on my forehead, but I want just like a tiny bit of light coverage. And that was actually the perfect amount of foundation because I'm completely done and it's all gone from my hand. Next, I'm going in with what is undoubtedly my most natural concealer. This is the Glossier Stretch Concealer and I am in the shade G11. And I love this concealer because I can just pat it in with the warmth of my finger. I feel like that's how it's best applied. And see how well that's just like erasing those dark circles, just making everything look nice and fresh. This is a mostly cream-based makeup routine because I feel like creams blend the best. It's just quick and easy. It melts into your skin. It looks really natural. Oh, I'm very excited about this. This is a brand new shade of the Tower 28 Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm, which is for your lips and for your cheeks. And this is in the shade Rush Hour, which is a luminous peach shade. Literally looks like a juicy ass peach. I want to bite into it. Okay, that's what it looks like swatched on my fingers. And I'm just going to quickly blend it in, and then we're going to set this with powder, and then we're going to double blush this, okay? If that isn't just the most beautiful peaches and, well, peaches and cream because of my pasty ass skin, but peaches and cream flush you have ever seen, I don't know what is. Okay, so we're going a little bit more intense with the blush right now than you might think because I'm going to set this with powder and that is going to tamp down the blush. This is also a great routine just to show you like what my holy grails are right now. This is the stuff that I'm grabbing for that I know is just always, always, always going to look good. So this is my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and I am going to take my BK Beauty 105 brush and I'm just going to quickly press this in. What's great about this brush too is you can see it's very large, it's very wide, so I can get a lot done in a short period of time. So now I'm going to do my brows. This is my Glossier Boy Brow, one of my, no, it's probably my most repurchased product at this point. There's something about the Glossier Boy Brow that just, I don't even know what it is because it's so simple, but it just perfectly grabs every hair. I never feel like I'm gonna overdo it. I don't even really have to watch what I'm doing that closely. You can see this makeup routine is so quick and easy and so no fail that I haven't even been using this mirror until now. Like I've pretty much just been looking into my monitor to see how I look. Like I just know it's gonna be okay. Now we are going to do a one and done eye look. This is a brand new product for me. I've used it a couple times and it is gorgeous. This is the Vesca Moonlit Dream Cream Shadow. And this is in the shade Lyra, which is a really stunning rose gold shade. And I'm just going to pat this in with my finger. It does dry down pretty quickly. So you just, you know, again, want to make sure that you're working at a brisk pace. So I'm taking it all the way up to my brow bone and then out toward my temple, because when I add my cream highlighter, that is going to just connect to that eyeshadow and just make it look really seamless. Okay, then I'm going to quickly curl my lashes. I always curl my lashes no matter what. It really does make such a difference. We're skipping eyeliner today. We're just doing a nice, beautiful, thick, fluffy lash. And I'm using my new Lancome Lash Idole. I'm choosing this mascara because I feel like, again, I don't have to be precious with it. I talked about this before. I really love the brush of this wand. I feel like this is buildable. I feel like it gives me really nice thickness, but it also gives me really nice length. And this mascara is probably the most time I'm spending on any one part of my face in this routine. Just quickly do my lower lashes as well. Okay, so lashes are done. I let those dry, and there's usually like a couple little flecks of mascara on my skin that I'll go in and clean up with a Q-tip, but I'll just give it a few minutes. Oh yeah, those lashes are popping. So you know I used one of the new shades of the Tower 28 blush, which was Rush Hour. Now I'm going to go in, this isn't a brand new shade, but I love it. This is called Happy Hour. And the reason I'm double blushing with this is because I love the peach, but I always like to have just a little bit of pink in there too, to give it that whole aspen cheek situation. I'm gonna focus on the apples. One of the many reasons I love a really simple, dewy look like this is because it allows the blush to be the star of the show. It's not competing with like really bright lips or an intense eye look, because blush is literally my favorite. So I always forget this, but these are not just cheek products, they're lip products as well. So I am going to use this as my lip color today. Again, this is the shade Happy Hour. Cannot go wrong with a coral lip. I think it is flattering on every skin tone. Do you see how perfect that is? And then of course, I like to add a little lip gloss. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite Pat McGrath lip gloss, which is the Lust Gloss in the shade Pale Fire Nectar. Perfection. And then last but certainly not least, I'm going to use, still to this day, one of my favorite highlighting products. It's really hard to top this one for me. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, and I just dot it right along my cheekbones. And like I said, I'm going to take it right up to my temple and almost like into my eye makeup, just to really tie all of that together. It just looks so fresh and natural. It's, again, just no fail. Okay guys, so that is the finished quick and easy makeup look. If I wasn't yammering on and kind of explaining things, this would have taken me at most probably like 7 minutes, in the least probably 5 minutes. And like I said, everything that I used today is going to be linked down below in the description box. Tower 28 Beach Please Tinted Balms, good job. I'd love it if you guys could give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, and cheers till next time. Oh,